Welcome to TutorialsArena's Rapid Fire MCQ Challenge. Get ready to ignite your knowledge in data science and AI. Brain-tickling questions are coming your way, fast and furious. Let's level up your skills, right here, right now. What keyword is used to rethrow an exception? The correct option is option A, raise. The raise keyword can be used to re-raise the current exception. What does try except else block do? The correct option is option B, else runs if no error. The else block runs only if the try block doesn't raise an exception. What does try except finally guarantee? The correct option is option B, finally always runs. The finally block runs whether or not an exception occurred. What will be the default output of this print statement? The correct option is option B, red. If no mode is specified, Python uses red mode by default. Which NumPy function creates an array of zeros? The correct option is option B, np.zeros. np.zeros creates a NumPy array filled with zeros. How do you check shape of NumPy array? The correct option is option C, arranged by .shape. Arranged by .shape returns the dimensions of the array as a tuple. Alright folks, hope you enjoyed that rapid-fire MCQ session on TutorialsArena. Keep practicing those concepts. If you found it helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more data science and AI goodness. Questions or suggestions? Drop them below. Check the description for more resources at tutorialsarena.com. Thanks for tuning in, and keep learning. See you next time.